piloteo afortunadamente. Sabemos que millones de personas en Estados Unidos se paralizaron ayer para ver el eclipse total de sol, pero cómo se vio desde un avión, así quedó captado.
Look at that, here comes the shadow, it's lifting up, it's going out, it's going out, going up to the atmosphere. Oh, look at down there, light, oh, what is it, beating, oh, there's a flare, look at that diamond ring, look at that, oh my God.